Nope. What's down here? You're dreading it as always, aren't you? Another exercise coming in.
All right, but we're done for this video.
Oh,
The
Sven,
exercise-
welcome. Hi. A Python fan, I see. A 7. I don't know why I said Sven. Aloha. Aloha 7. Nice to meet you.
I7. Not really.
Not really. It's good because we're in Team TypeScript over here. Yes.
Yes, of course it is. I have no idea what
That's
Python is, but
isn't
Python a snake?
Ah. Oh, that's why you said Python. Okay, I didn't read the chat before. That makes sense. Instead of having Klaus, we get like a Python. I get it now. Good,
Maybe,
good. I do prefer TypeScript over Python as well. So you're in the right place here. And
we have a
there you
problem with our screen. Oh no, just this was your background. Okay.
Right.
So this was it for the inheritance video.
That's
The
with
next video coming up is me.
Yeah. 7, don't leave yet. We will just act like we're doing a little cut
It's
for
I7,
YouTube.
Not 7. You're just not getting his name right. It's
Did I
I7.
I7?
Yeah.
Is it I7 or is it like a reverse exclamation mark? Can you tell us?
Oh, you mean it's a Spanish, not 7?
I somehow thought about that before I thought
could-
about the I
Could
first.
be.
Yeah, so we'll make a short cut for the YouTube video and then
Then
we'll
we
continue
don't-
with
we
your
will just-
exercise.
Yeah, I'm a little bit afraid everything we learned so far is going to come back to me.
Ah.
Do we need an array today?
Okay, so you were right. It's I7. My bad then.
There you go.
Oops. Oopsie daisy. All right, so let's make a quick YouTube cut. Thank you guys for listening.
Yep,
We've learned a lot today, and I hope you will tune in next time for Stephan's exercise. I'm sure you will do great.
Thank you. We will see.
Okay,
Bye.
bye-bye.
Okay, let's give me this exercise.
Let's get right into it. I will hand over my laptop.
Yeah, this.
There you go.
You didn't change the scene, right? You just let me present my big belly into the camera. That's so nice of you. Thank you.
Yes, and that's right, Wendy. So to go for the exercise,
No, just go for the solution and then we're done, right?
Maybe another time.
There's not going to be another
I
time.
know.
Well, not least for TypeScript. There's going to be plenty of other Twitch streams here and YouTube videos, so no worries.
Okay.
All right. So everyone can see that? No, because we have to switch the scene. Should we start just a new video? Just hello again?
Yeah, we will just do a
Okay,
quick
you-
7. But yeah, I7, we're in the office actually. Our company is located in Germany, in Karlsruhe.
Good old Karlsruhe.
Good old Karlsruhe. The company name is just the Twitch channel's name. It's Arconsis. So if you want to check us out, just Google for Arconsis. Ach, Karlsruhe. He seems German.
Ja, im Badischen sind wir hier, gell? Ich kann kein Badisch, keine Ahnung. Okay, you want to start the...
Yep. And action. Okay, welcome back, guys.
Hi
Today,
there.
Stephan's in the hot seat one last time.
One last time. This is going to be my masterclass.
Exactly. So we've got another exercise for you locked and loaded, and let's get right into it.
All right.
There you go.
There we go. Since you got... Okay, just go through the exercise. First thing we have to do, create a class superhero.
Mhm.
Oh, the superhero things are back. I think we
Yeah,
did something like
I
that last
thought you
time.
liked it last time, so
I did. I didn't like the array thing, but
yeah, maybe you will like this one better.
pretty sure. Okay. Create a class. Okay. Add the properties, name, and superpower. Ooh. Okay. Add a constructor to the class to initialize the two properties, and add a function. Say hello.
Mhm.
That logs a greeting and the name to the console. Just let's go with that.
Cool.
Where is...
On the very top where it just says script.ts.
Thank you.
There you
All
go.
right. Class.
Yep.
Superhero.
Cool.
Done. We created the class.
Not quite yet.
No? Didn't we?
We did, but what does a class need? Because you
Oh,
can
okay.
see
So
it.
just saying class superhero doesn't create a class at all.
No.
Would be much easier. Okay. So of course we do need more because we
Yep.
do need the properties.
Yep.
Yeah. So first, only the properties just declared as a class.
Technically, you would have a class without properties, but I think the bare minimum is to have curly braces, and you don't have those yet.
So sorry. Oh, I love it that you have an US layout as well here.
Yeah.
Okay. So do we now have a class?
I'm pretty sure that now we have a basic class. You couldn't do anything with it, but
Of course
that's a
we-
class.
Yeah, okay.
No.
No, it's just because we had that. And now we have the name and the superpower. So, was it like that? Name is a string?
No,
No?
not quite. What you're saying is what you were saying is name equals string, not name is of type string. Yes, very good.
Yeah, this sting, for example, that's a singer. And
so we have somebody in chat called LV. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. LV, that's not quite how it works because string is a type, but we can create a superhero named LV and one called I7 later for you if you want.
Sure.
Yep. So let's keep going.
I forgot what was...
Type LV doesn't work, unfortunately. But yeah.
Superpower, yeah.
Superpower, yeah.
The superpower is also a string.
Also a string.
Or is it a Boolean? Because what superpower does Batman have? Anyway, let's not discuss
That's a good point, but maybe his superpower is money. You could argue
that's,
that.
I think in one of in those movies it was. Or wasn't it Iron Man who said that? I don't know. Okay. That's that.
Not quite. What did you
Really?
forget?
I don't know, because I would write it down. I wouldn't know what I forgot.
Okay. Go back to the exercise.
Yes.
On the create a class superhero, add the properties name and superpower. You did that. And the next thing is?
Oh, yeah, I want just to do that.
Oh,
I'm
okay.
sorry. Okay, it's
Okay.
just a misunderstanding. The next thing we have to do the constructor. Constructor, right? No. Konstruktor.
Okay. What's wrong?
I don't know. I don't know my language, so
If you remember,
cannot find.
if you remember, we talked about scope the last time.
Do I have to put it into the curly braces?
Yes, exactly.
Thank you. Yes, of course I do. No, I wanted to do that. That's the thing here. Okay. What do you want to the class to initialize the tool to initialize?
If we make one quick break, I7 asked why I'm teaching you OOP So object-oriented programming, that means what we're using with classes right now. Instead of FP, that means functional programming. I think both have their strong suits. I'm a big fan of functional programming. I use it a lot. I think though that it's a bit more of an advanced topic. Like I think that you can't quite get around object-oriented programming still in today's world, but you can work around functional programming. So I feel like it's more important to teach object-oriented programming instead of functional programming first. Although I feel like you do need to know both at some point.
Okay.
Yeah.
I think so too, by the way.
We learn LV programming. No worries, I7. Yeah, so let's keep going.
Okay, constructor. So we do have the name, which, I mean, last time you said provided name or name, it doesn't really matter, right? It's,
Yeah,
is it just for having a better oversight over everything? Or?
Yeah, that's the reason why I did it. So it's more clear that those are two different things.
Herrgott, habe ich. There we go. Superpower. Also a string.
If you want to go to the beginning of the constructor where the C is and just press tab one more time so it's aligned with, yeah.
I'm so sorry.
Doesn't make any differences, but it just looks a bit prettier, I think.
Okay. Does it?
Yeah, I think so, yeah.
Okay, this... your keyboard is strange. I have no idea why I'm always getting this semicolon instead of the double point. And the superpower, power, that's superpower.
Yeah.
Okay.
Go back.
Sorry, didn't we?
Why is it still
underlined?
Yep. What's the problem here?
You tell me, master.
So earlier, what did you do earlier when you declared the name? What initial mistake did you make?
I did an initial mistake.
But you corrected it. It's correct now. If you remember, if you go back.
The initial mistake I did was because of the curly braces. I didn't
put
them.
So in the beginning for the name, you said name equals string and not name is of type string, which is correct now. And that's the same thing you're doing now. You're saying name is of type name and it's not. You want to say this.name equals name. Yeah, and now it's better. And the same goes to superpower.
Yeah, these are these little things I really have to keep in mind. Yeah, I really have to write more just code just to get into the language.
Oops, my chat is going a bit crazy here.
What are you doing? You looking for the chat?
Yep.
Yeah, it's no, down. Yes. Yeah, there it is.
There you go. Because I have this bug right here, this hovering, and I can't read anything below. I'm just
Where
saying.
are our mods? They have to work right now.
That's a bit annoying. Yeah, I'm having a bug in
first
chat
in
right
JavaScript. I'm actually doing this, by the way. Yeah.
Wait, give me 1 second, guys. Sorry, I messed up something. Oh, damn.
Can you right-click it?
Yeah, I don't think so. I think I'm right-clicking the chat below. So yeah, what I wanted to say.
Is Felix he can
What I
help.
wanted to say, I7 is if you want to learn a bit more about functional programming after we're done with this exercise, after the stream, I can stay on for a bit longer and I can talk to you about functional programming if you want that, if that's fine by you. So I can't, there's a problem with my chat window right now. I can't read the, maybe it's, no. God damn it. I can't read like the last bit of chat.
Oh, there's
There you go. Now I fixed it.
did.
Never mind. Somehow I did.
Okay, it would be
Cool. So LV, you said in chat that you first want to learn JavaScript before you want to learn TypeScript. I get that. But the reason why I'm teaching Stephan TypeScript instead of JavaScript is because I think if you go from JavaScript to TypeScript, that's quite hard. It's like nearly like learning a new language. Of course, it's pretty similar, but if you go from TypeScript to JavaScript, on the other hand, it's quite easy. Because if you go from JavaScript, from TypeScript to JavaScript, you just have to remove some of the stuff. But if you go from JavaScript to TypeScript, then you have to add like more stuff. You have to learn more things. Yeah. That's my reason. Okay, but let's keep going. Sorry.
everything's okay.
We promised i7 and LV to create 2 superheroes, one called LV and one called i7. So why don't we do that right now?
I think I misplaced the camera. No. We have a little.
There you go.
There you go. Okay. So we did that right now. We added a constructor. We initialized the 2 properties, and now we have to add a function.
Yeah. Say hello.
Hello. And we also do this inside. Do we have to tap it again?
Yeah.
Okay. Say hello. This is saw.
No.
No, why not? You want to have me a function?
Yeah, that's something that's different in classes. Usually, you're right. Outside of a class, you would need the function keyword, but I don't know what the reason is. Inside of a class, you don't need the function keyword. You just need, after the say hello, you have to do the round braces, and that's how it knows it's a function. After the O with the
okay.
Yeah, just round braces, exactly.
And then now curly braces again. And we have a console log, of course, console log. What do you want to say? Just the greeting and the name to the that logs the greeting and the name of the superhero, of course, to the class. Don't we have to just have an object with a new superhero? Because I don't have a name right now. Or can I just you want me just to have a console log with a name? Just any name.
Go for it. Do what you think is right. Yeah, we can go over it afterwards.
Really?
Yeah. Just
okay. The
round braces?
Yes. So we need the name. No? Why is it?
What are we doing in the constructor to use the name?
I just can write it down. Thor?
No.
No.
How are we? Because if you remember, a class is, we said like a blueprint, right?
Yeah.
So in this blueprint, we already have a name provided. So you can just say this dot name again. and that's the name.
Yeah, that's what I just wrote, and then he was just.
Yeah, and you didn't listen correctly. I said you have this dot name. Yeah, and now it's happy. Yeah.
Now the console is happy.
And maybe you can add a string in the front and say, hello, my name is, and then after, yeah.
Hello. Herrgottsackel. I am.
And then a plus.
Oh, sorry. Yes.
Yeah, perfect.
Wait a second. Or yeah, would leave this in. We already had the space, right? What
Yeah.
do I need? No, yeah.
Okay. Yeah, you leave the space in.
Okay.
So if you go outside of the class and you want to create your first superhero.
Oh, okay. This is. You wanted me just to add a function. You not wanted me to actually say, hello, I am Iron Man. Okay, this misinterpreted us. Okay, create a class. No, what?
Just a bonus exercise. Let's create an object of superhero. You can call it, for example, because we have those people in chat right now, you can call it i7 or you can call it LV.
Oh, okay. Yes, I couldn't. I'm sorry. I'm totally lost. Okay. Object, right. Give me a hint.
Const.
Thank you. Why not let? Because
that's both fine, but we don't want to change the object afterwards, so we're saying
that's
const.
what I
it's
want to
just
ask. You wouldn't use,
good practice.
Yeah, okay. So constant, we call it i7.
Yeah.
New.
Yeah.
Superhero. Yes.
Yeah.
So.
The name is i7 again.
I would say so too. And the superpower is.
But what did you forget now? You have to put i7 in.
It's a string.
Yes, it's a string.
So sorry.
And what's the superpower?
Cleverness. Is that a word? Even I don't know.
Probably. Okay, and maybe create another, because LV really wants a superhero called after himself. Create one called LV Man. And
all right.
So new line, and then const, you can say LV. Yeah, that's right. And equals new superhero. LV, what superpower do you want to have? Let us know. Sleeping all day is a superpower.
That's an awesome superpower. I would love to have that one.
Yeah, me too.
Oops. Oh, it's this thing again. Sleeping all day. All right.
Nice. So let's maybe print those two to the console, and then we can continue with the exercise.
Do we want to print it out like with the curly braces and all? Or just...
Just print console.log, and in the round braces you just say i7, for example. Or if you remove the console log, just remove the entire line. I'm sorry, what I said was not so good. Just say i7 now, and then dot, and then he can say hello. Yeah, and you have to add the round braces as well.
Oh yeah, they always have to come. I learned that. Oops, no zero. Say hello. Yeah, sure.
Right, so if you save the file now, and then Sorry. Exactly. Yeah. No, that's it. Hello, I'm I7, and hello, I'm LVman.
Yeah, that's what I asked. Do
Perfect.
you want me to have the say hello or the
Yeah.
thing with the curly braces and just giving me all the attributes we just
Yeah.
yeah.
That's pretty cool, right?
I like it.
Yeah. Now
Haven't-
let's continue with the exercise. We're
never
not quite done yet.
put it before. Yeah. Well, one of three, right? Okay. Another class, Marvel heroes, that inherits from superheroes, which isn't true, by the way, because every superhero is a Marvel hero.
Wow. Why?
No, I don't want to start this conversation here.
What about DC heroes then?
Yeah, well. What was the name? I just don't remember what I have to write the exact word. It's not inherit, of course. It's sorry. Marvel hero, and then what was it? What was the verb?
If you can read chat, then you would know.
Extends. Thank you, chat. Thank you, i7. Extends, of course, superhero.
Yeah. Nice.
You probably have something you want me at the property. Is Avenger. The Avengers not. Is there any Avenger left?
It's a good question.
Is Ant-Man still an Avenger? I don't know. It's a Boolean in this case, right?
Mm-hmm.
Boolean. Yes. And that's that. Then we need a constructor. Or is there more? Sorry. Add a constructor to the class with the correct attributes that calls super and initialize. Okay. Whoops. Constructor. No, there we go. I learned I do have to get the things all again. It's the name, the superpower, and now the is Avenger. It's a Boolean. Oh no, now we have to call this super, right?
Yeah.
And just the ones missing.
The other way around.
Yeah, no, just the ones who are not in the class Marvel Heroes. But
See, it also gives you a little tip there that it wants
Can I
name
just...
and... No, it just tells you what it wants, unfortunately.
Okay.
No.
No?
Because it already knows that it wants something of a name of type string. Yeah, exactly.
Superpower, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, no, you have it. Okay. And now, of course, the this is Iron Man. Avenger. This is Avenger?
Yeah.
Yeah. And we have the constructor. I'm missing something. No. Okay. But you want more.
That's the last one. Create objects
you want
of
more. Create objects and of your favorite Marvel heroes. All right. Const. Now here we go. I know this
might take a while, guys.
this is controversial, but there's an explanation for it. It's a new Marvel hero. It's not new, it's a very old one, and it's a very loved one. Nope. All right, we don't have any mod for you, right?
No, we don't yet. We don't
Yeah.
yet.
We need one.
That's gotta change. yeah.
Darth Vader.
I think he's got his Marvel facts wrong.
Well, it's Marvel Comics, so
Is it?
I
No.
think it is.
Wow.
I think it even was before Disney bought Marvel, but I'm not sure about that.
Wow,
but
okay,
of course,
that's
because
new to
Marvel
me,
is
okay.
Disney and Star Wars is Disney.
Yeah,
I'm
that's
pretty
true.
sure
Yeah.
an actual
No.
or today Star Wars comic, he's a Marvel superhero.
No.
Yeah, but it's not part of the MCU, so not. Anyway, new Marvel hero, Hawkeye. The name, of course,
Yep.
which is Hawkeye the Great. Then he has the superpower of sight, which that's why I'm loving him, because I don't have it. I would love to have it. And
Is that actually canon, or are you just saying that?
well, he can look very good, so he can hit. Maybe it's just pure luck, but he hits everything precisely because he has a great eyesight.
Fair enough.
But that's a good question. I don't know if this is actually a superhero. I mean, superpower, just that he can watch out very good. I don't know.
I just always assumed that he was just a very well trained archer, and
Well, that he is, but maybe he's that a good archer because he can see very well. But I'm not sure, and I think he's not an Avenger right now.
Oh, fair enough.
But I could be wrong. He should be one, so it's true. He's always an Avenger, always.
Yeah,
Yeah. Do we need more than one?
that one is fine.
Yeah, because I can just go on.
Yeah,
I'm done.
not quite yet.
Yes, I am.
Maybe.
Create objects of your favorite Marvel heroes. There's an E missing, by the way, in your.
Yeah, you're right.
This is what I did.
I'm
I
not
created
perfect, I'm not
an
perfect.
object. Here we have it.
Yeah.
There
But
he is.
I mean, yeah, that's true. But maybe go a little further. Maybe make Hawkeye say hello, or
Okay.
print him to the console,
Yes. Now I'm just like
just for good measure.
Hawkeye. Say hello. Here we go. Save it. Run it. And done it.
Nice.
Max, thank you very much. This
We
has
did
been-
it. We
This
did
has
it,
been
Stephan.
an awesome
Well done.
journey. I'm definitely going to continue that, and
I'm very happy to hear that.
just have to write more code. I think that's essentially it. I really have to write.
Yeah.
Maybe choose a little project of my own, and then just try to implement all you just taught me over the last 2 months.
Yeah,
Has it been that long?
at least I think.
Yeah, at least.
Well,
Thanks, everyone. I hope
thanks to you
the chat
too.
also
You did a great
has
job.
Had some fun. Everyone who wants to stay on board, learning about,
Functional programming. I guess we'll talk about that for a bit.
you can just stay in the stream. And that's it for me. Thanks, everyone.
Yep.
See you.
Bye bye.